and wheels. Today we are going to be talking of how to multiply numbers using 3 digits. Multiplying numbers using 3 digit numbers. Multiply with a single number. We can use 2 digits, and we can use 3, 4, 5 digits number. Today we are going to talk about see how we can use 3 digit numbers to multiply. Let's go. Multiplication by 3 digits. We are going to see how we can multiply numbers using 3 digits. Now, the first one, number 1, we have 698 multiplied. When you see 98 multiplied by 794, that is the way you arrange your numbers so that you'll be able to have a correct answer. And as you're multiplying, you start by the right hand side and then multiply to the left hand side. You understand? When you finish this, to the left like that. You can't begin with 6. You can't begin with right to multiply to the left. You start with the left to the you start from the right to the left. Now, 8 times 4. Remember, before we go on, remember your timetable in your school during your school days. 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3 to 6. You have to know all these things offhand because it helps you a lot in multiplying or adding or doing your mathematics fast. By the time you know your multiplication table, it is very, very easy. 4 times 9. 4 times 9. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus what you carried up, which is 3, is 27. I hope you understand. So you have 27. Do you understand up to that point? So you are done. So you now write your 2 and carry 7. I don't know you understand. 9 times 9 will give you 81. 81 plus the number that you took up here, which is 7, will give you 88. 88. So you now write your 8 and carry 8 up to the next number. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 plus 8 gives you 62. 62. Are you saying it? With 9. And then the next number is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Are you there? You now write your 6 and carry 5. 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus 5 will give you 68. You write 8 and carry 6. We go ahead. 7 times 6 gives us 42. 42 plus 6 gives us 48. We are done. So what do? We add the numbers together. I hope you are seeing the way I'm arranging it so that you don't make mistake. If you make any mistake in the arrangement, it will not give you the correct answer. So now we go. 2, we add all of them together. We have 2 here. 9 plus 2 is 11. You carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. You now write your 2 and carry 2. 2 plus the 1 you carry, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 8, the next number. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. You now carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So that's your answer. 1, 2, 3. Remember to count 3 digits before you put a comma here to be able to know, the place value of the number. We have 554,212. So that is the answer. Even if you use your calculator, to punch that, you have that as your answer. Do you understand? So that is how to multiply numbers using 3 digits. On the next video, we are going to show you how we can multiply using 4 digits, 2 digits, and so on. Are you done with that? So let's solve another problem. We have 183 multiplied by 346. 346. So we now arrange our numbers now. 183 multiplied by 3, 4, and 6 is a 3-digit number. So whatever you have here, the first line, the second line, and the third line, because of it being 3 by 46, your number would have been your number here under would have been 2 lines. So if you have 2 numbers here, you have 2 lines. If you have 1 number here, you have only 1 line. So the way you have 3 digits, this line must be 3 before you can now add the numbers and then. So 183 multiplied by 346. Let's work it out. 6 times 3 is 18. You write 8 and carry 1. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. You write 9 and carry 4. 6 plus 1 is 6. Is 6. Then you have 6 plus 4 is 10. You see the way I'm arranging these numbers. If you make any mistake in this arrangement, you have something similar, but the answer will not be correct. So now we go to the next number. 4 times 3 is 12. You carry 1. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. You write your 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. You now have your 7 here. So that's for the second number. Then the third digit. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24. You now carry your 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus the 2 that you carried, that is 5. If you use 183 to multiply with 4, you should have this 732. And if you use 183 to multiply with 3, you should have 549 there. If you use 183 and multiply by 6, you should be able to have 1098. So you now add the numbers now. We have 8, we have 11, we carry 1, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. We now carry 1. 5 plus 1 that you carry gives us 6. 1, 2, 3. That is 63,380. You get that? So remember what I told you, that if you should multiply 183 by 6, you're supposed to have 1098. If you multiply this 183 if you multiply 183 by 4, you should be able to have 732 and 49. Then if you multiply all these numbers, it will give you this answer. You understand? So let's go to the next number. Do you understand up to that point? So let's go to the next problem. You know, in mathematics, during our mathematics days, when you see things like this, you call them problems. Because I told a friend I have a problem, and he told me, what type of problem? I say mathematics. So when you can solve this problem, it's no more a problem. In mathematics, all these things, we call them problems. So by the time you are able to solve it, you know, yes, and you can solve a problem in mathematics. Solve this number 180 times 8 should give us this number. Are you getting me? So now let's go to the next number. 3 times 5 is 15. You now carry to give you 24. 24 plus 1. Now write your 5 and carry 2. Then 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. That means that 285 times 3 should give us 855. We now add the numbers together. 5, you bring down the 5. 8 plus 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15. You carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 2 gives us 10. So when you have 10, there is nothing to carry again because there is no number again. So what you do, you write your number, your 10. Remember what I told you, you count 1, 2, you count 3 digits before you put a dot. 108,585 is the answer. Meaning that 285 times 381 is 108,585. You get that?
Yes.
On our next video, we will be showing you how numbers can be multiplied how we can multiply decimal numbers. The numbers that have decimal points. We have 2.586, and then you are asked to add with 304.581, and then you add the numbers and have the answer. And that will be on our next video. So let's read the next problem. I hope you are done with this. Okay.
48.
Add up 20.
So now, Let's look at 535, 535 multiplied by 493. Watch this. When you see this, you think it's very difficult. It's not. It's very simple. By the time you know your multiplication table, you know all of this, and you solve your maths as fast as possible. But when you don't know your multiplication table, by the time you say 5 times 3, and then you go and start multiplying 5 times 3 first before you can know, it will be difficult. So you must know all your mathematics quickly. So let's solve the math. 5, 3, 5 multiplied by 4, 9.
One person is working.
I said that 9 times 5 is 4. You now write your 5 and carry 27 plus 4 gives us 31. You now write your 1 and carry 3. 9 times 5 again gives us 45. 45 plus 3. See the way I'm arranging these numbers. See the way I'm arranging these numbers. Under 3, what I multiplied under 3 has to start from that point to the left. Then what I multiplied by 9 has to start with that left. Then what I multiply with this has to is 20 and carry 2. So next, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus what you carried is 14. You now carry 1. Then 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 gives us, let's do the 4 again. 4 times 5 is 20. You now write your 0 and carry 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. You now write 4 and carry 1. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Then you add the numbers there. Just add them together. Remember, when I use 3 to multiply, whatever I started under the line of that 3. And then whatever I use with 9 to multiply, I started with that same line. Whatever I use 4 to multiply, this last number started from that line. See the way I'm arranging it so that you won't make mistakes. So you have 5. When you add them together, you have 5. And then you have 5 here. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 gives us 13. You carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 gives us 6. Now bring down your 2 here. 1, 2, 3. 263,755. So that is a very simple way of multiplying numbers using 3 digits to have those numbers. Remember, in the next video, like I said, I will show you 4 digits, 5 digits, 2 digits, and so on. So let's quickly solve one problem before we round it up. We have 764 multiplied by 159. Are you there? 6, 4, 1, 5, 9. You multiply these numbers. 4 times 9, sorry, 9 times 4 is the same thing anyway. But you have to start with 9 so that you use 9 to multiply them each. So 9 times 4 is 36. You now write your 6 and carry 3 to the next number. 3. 9 times 6 gives us 54. 54 plus 3 it gives us 57. Now write your 7 and carry 5. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 5 is 68. 68. See the way the number is arranged. Now to the next number. 5 times 4 is 20. Now write your 0 and carry 2. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Now write 2 and carry 3. 5 times 7 is 35. Do you understand up to that point? So 35 plus 3 gives us 38. 38. Are you there? Now 1 times 4 gives us 4. 1 times 6 gives us 6. 1 times 7 gives us 7. You see what I told you, that whatever you are using to multiply with 9, this is the answer. So that means 764 times 9 gives us 6,876. So 764 times 5 gives us 3,820. So that means 764 times 1 gives us this same number, which is 764. So what do? You add the numbers together. Now bring down your 6. You now bring down your 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. You now carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. You carry 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So that's your answer. We have 121,476. We have 121,476. You get that? So on our next video, we'll show you how you can multiply using 4 digits. So this is where we round up our video. Remember, my name is Engineer Wills. On our next video, we'll show you how you multiply decimal numbers. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe this video. Thank you. Bye.